Hello, grillers. I'm your boy, Chef Barry, the vegan griller. Today I'm going to make a smoky mozzarella, vegan mozzarella cheese. I put this on quite a bit of stuff. I use it on pizza whenever I make pizza. It has a nice gooey, stretchy effect. You can put it in the fridge, you can freeze it. Lasts in the fridge probably 4 or 5 days. Freezer probably, I don't know, a couple months, and easy to reheat. Just add a little bit of water, and you can put this stuff on anything pretty much. Make it on toast, make a grilled cheese sandwich. You can put it on vegetables and stuff like that. So, anyways, got some simple ingredients to get her done. Except I'm missing one ingredient, the main ingredient. I'll be right back. I am back. The main ingredient, cashews. Now, if you have a nut allergy, obviously, please do not make this because it contains nuts. So, what we got is our trusty old Vitamix. It's not trusty hands, I guess. And so we're going to put in a cup of cashews. I let those soak in hot water for about 15 minutes. So they're pretty, they're starting to get soft quite a bit. You can soak them overnight if you want, if you don't have a powerful blender, but the Vitamix is pretty good, so don't have to worry about that. Nutritional yeast, that's going in. Sauerkraut with some pickle juice, that's going in. Why sauerkraut, you guys? Why not? It's got that probiotic, it gives it a little pungent flavor. That kind of mimics cheese a little bit, so I like to use that. Now I have a couple of things here which you can substitute if you don't have it. I got smoked garlic, which is this, smoked garlic seasoning. And I got a Hickory smoked salt that I grind up here, which is really good. So if you invest in these, they're not that expensive. You can get those, they add a great flavor. If you don't have it, you can substitute this for garlic powder. That's fine, and this with just regular sea salt, you can do. But I also have liquid smoke, which I would suggest not to substitute. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of liquid salt in there. Might seem like a lot, but oh, that's good. This one's a hickory flavor, so there's a couple different types of liquid smoke you can buy. This one's got a real hickory flavor smell to it, which is really good. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to add in my seasoning. I'm going to add in our water. I got 2 cups of water. And then I have tapioca starch, which we're not going to put in yet. We're going to put that in when we heat it up. So I'll get to that in a minute. But main ingredient, that's today, my love. Little love. Right there. Thank you. All right. Let's get this puppy on, get her pureed, and we can get this thing cooking. Cover your ears. That's it. Nice and pureed, liquefied, very liquidy. Liquidy. As you can see, it's liquid. So we're gonna cook this now and add in our tapioca starch, which will give it the stretchiness. It'll thicken everything up. You can't replace this with other type of flour. It just won't give you the same effect. Tapioca gives it that gooey, stretchy effect, so you need to use tapioca. If you don't have that, don't make it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to swap this out, put my little stove here, and I'll show you how we cook this up. All right? Be right back. We are back. We're going to make this cheese. So what we're going to do, put this over a little bit more. We're going to pour this into our nice little pot here. It's starting to heat up. You can see it's very liquidy right now. That's a word, right? Liquidy. Spatula is best for the job. Get all that goodness in. And then as it's heating up, we're going to put in the tapioca starch. Flour starch, whatever. So we're going to start putting that in. Keep it stirring. Now the thing with this is you have to keep stirring because this will thicken up pretty quickly. If you don't, it'll burn, so you got to make sure you do that just right. So what I'll do is I'll give you a close-up of how this is going to thicken up once I get this tapioca in. Alright, let me give you a close-up. One sec. Alright. I got all the tapioca in there. Starting to heat up. Again, just make sure you agitate it very well. Do that any way you want. Talk to it. Tell it boring jokes. Bad stories. Okay. Any way you want to agitate it. Anyways, it's starting to thick up, and you can see it's starting to get some clumps in there. Okay. It smells good. So let's keep stirring. Keep scraping the bottom. It's going to clump on the bottom. Okay. And starting now. Starting now. Make sure you scrape that bottom because it will stick. Get all around the top. There you go. See? The longer you have it on, the thicker it's going to get. So be careful if you find that you maybe went too slow and you didn't catch it enough time. You can add a little bit of water, and when you reheat this up, it's just easy. You add a little bit of water, tablespoons at a time, and stuff will heat up just perfect. All right, this is almost done. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Okay, I'm going to shut this off. That's some serious goo. This stuff is delicious on pizza. Again, make it even as a grilled cheese sandwich. You can put it on macaroni, put it in your pasta, put it on tacos. I use this quite a bit actually. Let me get this off and ready, and it's smoothing up quite a bit now. Oh yeah. All right, I'll come back and give it a little taste test and see what we got. All right. All right, girls, we are back. We're gonna give this a little mozzarella, vegan mozzarella taste test. Again, remember, if you have any allergies to nuts or cashews, please don't make this. This is good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's creamy. It's got a real good smoke flavor to it. It's got a little bit of a goo to it. Again, so this stuff you can heat this up, it'll melt. It won't melt like a regular cheese, obviously, but it will get a little bit gooey and stuff. It's gooey just to begin with, but it's got a little bit of a stretch to it, so that is very good. Oh, look at that. A little bit more. But I can't wait to mix up with this. I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5. mainly because I've made it quite a few times before. Each time I try to improve a little bit more. The last few times I found the best thing for me that made that little bit of a difference is put that, I don't just use the juice of the sauerkraut, I actually put the sauerkraut in, and the juice of the pickles really, you don't really taste the pickle, but it's just that fermentation in there is just really good, and it really pulls everything together. So I give that a 5. It's awesome. Anyways, I hope you try it. Let me know what you think, and if I don't see you again, or when I do see you again, I'm speaking much love, and be kind to everybody. This world needs it. I'll see you in the next one.